Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I will discuss about how to basics of AutoCAD work. When you start the AutoCAD work and setting the unit. Today I will discuss unit, how to create unit and which type of unit, standard unit and normal unit and planning unit and steel structural unit, different types of unit selection before working. When you start the working, if you work in house planning, so your all units is going to foot and inch according to designing. Then steel designing, steel structural designing, so start from is very suitable for work. So first of all, unit selection is very important. If you not search from where is it unit, so you can directly write now here the background. Also you write now unit unit. Look at this here, unit. When enter the unit, now here the decimal is if you want the unit is architecture, so architecture form is showing the your diagram. And if you want engineering type, so look at this, engineering is inch and foot according to find the distance unit. Fractional type, look at this, 1 of 16, 1 of 2, 1 of 4, 1 of 8, this type of dimension and presentation of our diagram. So when you look at this, first of all I will create the any rectangle here. First of all I will create the rectangle, then show the simple rectangle. When I go to dimension, so DLI, enter, then provide the dimension this point to this point, and here the dimension not showing the dimension, so when you go to D, enter and provide the standard setting, modify. When primary unit system decimal is going to 0, and text height I will go to increase, right. So text height is not showing, then I will provide the 5 mm. So look at this 5 mm also, and align and OK. Then current setting, current set and close. Look at this, some distances showing here. And now when unit system, when again I will show you large size, so again D, enter, dimensional style, and now again remodify in AutoCAD, and we will provide the dimension color also, and green color. Then not the properly visible, so when you put 15 and above, and distance is 5, 4, we will provide the distance is 4, then OK, right. Then after current set and close. Look at this, dimension is properly visible. Then how to work in unit system. So first of all click the UNIT unit, enter the units, and so this position is decimal form. This is decimal form. If I want to change the architecture, then OK, and again I will show you the dimension here. OK, architectural, and then again I will go to form is dimension here. Now change the properly here the again go to the enter and modify, and look at this here primary unit system. If I want to feet size, so when you go to feet and OK, then current set and close. So see this here unit is properly setting here, same unit position is coming. When go to the enter dimension style and modify and go to primary unit system. If I want to architectural and if I want to this type of architectural position, so when you go to OK, then current set and again close. So it is very useful for dimension setting. And again I will show you different types of architectural and fraction. So when you go to fraction setting and current set and OK, so this is the different types of working in this settings. And if you change the real types of decimal form and OK, then current set and close. So this is very useful for unit system if you want set the unit before working in AutoCAD. So very important for unit setting. So today has completed the session and thank you.